Are you planning to start a cleaning business but have no idea how to write a perfect business plan? You're not alone. Many new entrepreneurs underestimate how important a business plan is. It's not just paperwork, it's the map that guides your entire business journey. Without it, you'll spend more, earn less, and lose direction fast. But with a well-structured plan, you'll know exactly how to launch, grow, and manage your cleaning company. In this video, you will learn 8 easy steps to write a cleaning business plan to start a cleaning business. Step number 1, executive summary. Start your business plan with a strong executive summary. It's a short overview that highlights what your cleaning business is about, your goals, and how you'll achieve them. Mention your business name, structure, location, and the services you plan to offer. Include your mission statement, for example, to provide affordable and high-quality cleaning services with reliability and care. Add short-term and long-term goals, such as reaching 100 regular clients or expanding into commercial cleaning within a year. Keep it clear and concise because investors often read this section first. Think of it as your business's elevator pitch. Short, smart, and inspiring enough to make someone want to read the full plan. Step number 2. Company description. This section describes who you are and what your cleaning business stands for. Include your business name, ownership structure, registration details, and the type of cleaning you specialize in: residential, office, or industrial. Explain what makes your company different from others in your area. Maybe you use eco-friendly products, provide 24/7 availability, or guarantee satisfaction. Describe your business location and the area you'll serve. Also, include your vision and mission statements, your why. For example, our vision is to make professional cleaning affordable for every household. A detailed company description helps readers understand your purpose, values, and what you bring to the market. Step number 3, market analysis. A smart business plan is based on real market data. Start by studying your local cleaning industry, how big it is, what trends are growing, and what services are most in demand. Identify your competitors and analyze their strengths and weaknesses. Look at their prices, target customers, and customer reviews. Find gaps where you can stand out. Maybe other companies don't offer deep cleaning or same-day service. Use online tools, surveys, or social media to understand customer needs and pain points. Include market size, target audience details, and pricing range in your plan. A detailed market analysis shows you've done your homework and helps you position your cleaning business for success. Step number 4, services offered. Clearly list the cleaning services your business will provide. Examples include general home cleaning, deep cleaning, carpet cleaning, window washing, move-in and move-out cleaning, and office maintenance. You can also mention specialized services like eco-friendly cleaning, post-construction cleanup, or sanitization. Explain how you'll structure your pricing, per hour, per room, or by package deals. Mention what equipment, cleaning products, and staff skills are required for each service. You can also include optional add-ons like laundry, folding, or organizing. Keep this section detailed but simple enough for clients or investors to understand your offerings. This clarity helps build trust and ensures your pricing covers both your costs and expected profit margins. Step number 5, marketing and sales strategy. Your marketing plan is how you'll attract clients. Begin by defining your brand identity, your logo, slogan, and tone of communication. Use both online and offline marketing. Build a professional website showing services, pricing, and testimonials. Use Google Business Profile and local SEO so customers can find you easily. Post before and after photos on social media to show real results. Offer discounts for referrals and first-time customers. Collaborate with real estate agents, office managers, and property owners. You can even join local business directories or attend community events. Your goal is to create brand awareness, build trust, and convert inquiries into regular clients through consistent, reliable service and strong word-of-mouth reputation. Focus on local community marketing first. Join neighborhood Facebook groups and post cleaning tips to attract organic leads. Offer a first clean half-price promo to build your client base fast. Collect testimonials with before and after photos for social proof. Step number 6, operations plan. The operations plan explains how your business will run daily. Include the number of employees, their roles, and work shifts. Describe the cleaning equipment, tools, and eco-friendly products you'll use. Mention your booking process. Will clients schedule online, by phone, or through an app? Explain your logistics, transportation, supply management, uniforms, and safety procedures. Also include training plans for your staff to maintain consistent service quality. If you're starting solo, outline your routine, from taking appointments to performing the cleaning yourself. The purpose of this section is to show that you can handle all daily operations efficiently while maintaining customer satisfaction and time management. A standard process will be followed for booking, cleaning, and client feedback. The aim is to maintain a 95% on-time completion rate and strong customer satisfaction. Step number 7, financial plan. This is the most crucial part for investors and you as an owner. Start by listing your startup costs, cleaning supplies, tools, uniforms, insurance, licenses, and marketing. Then, calculate your fixed monthly expenses such as salaries, rent, and fuel. Next, estimate your income by projecting how many clients you'll serve each month and at what average rate. Include a break-even point, how many jobs you need to cover your expenses. Add a cash flow forecast for at least 1 year. If you need external funding or a small business loan, clearly explain how you'll use that money. A detailed financial plan helps you understand your profit potential and plan realistic growth. The financial plan outlines startup costs, revenue projections, and ongoing expense management. Initial investment will cover cleaning tools, uniforms, marketing, and transportation. Pricing will be set to maintain a 30% profit margin after operating expenses. The business aims to reach break-even within the first 6 months. Funds will be allocated toward equipment upgrades and marketing expansion once consistent cash flow is achieved, ensuring long-term financial stability. And step number 8, goals and growth strategy. End your business plan with a strong vision for the future. Write short-term goals, like gaining your first 20 regular clients or achieving a $10,000 monthly income. Then add long-term goal, hiring a bigger team, expanding to new cities, or franchising your brand. Describe how you'll achieve these goals through marketing upgrades, technology use, or quality improvements. Always set measurable targets so you can track progress easily. Review your goals every few months and adjust if needed. A growth strategy shows that your business is built to scale, not just survive. It's your commitment to turning a small cleaning company into a strong, trusted, and profitable business. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and share it with someone who's planning to start a cleaning business. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you for watching this video.